good to YouTube, back at it again with a little intermission. Taking the S2K exhaust off. This is the stock one. This is a Yonaka 3-inch catback single exit. We're gonna see the difference. Obviously people know what a stock one sounds like, so now we're putting this new one on. I'll get you sound clip. So first side has been connected. This is the stock cat, as it's a catback exhaust. Now this is empty right here. We gotta connect the other one to the hangers. I already connected that hanger, as you can see. And then we'll get to it. All right, gang, new exhaust is on. It's kind of fat. I'm gonna lower the car. Look at that. Fitment's pretty nice. I'm gonna lower the car, and then we're gonna hear the first start. That's going to conclude this short install. I'm working behind the scenes every day to get this car ready for paints, but it's just body work. No one likes to see body work. Wheels will get painted soon too. I wanted to put the exhaust on, give a little update, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.